Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are going to make an easy recipe for baby potato and egg stew. This recipe is made with the addition of a spicy cashew paste, herbs and spices. This is a perfect side dish for Appam or Idiyappam. Here is how to do it. Heat coconut oil in a pan. Coconut oil is preferred for this recipe. Add in the cardamom, cloves, finely chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, a few sprigs of curry leaves, and some sliced shallots. Saute till the shallots are soft. Shallots, aka the Indian sambar onions, are preferred for making this recipe. If you cannot get hold of shallots, regular onions can be substituted. But first preference would be for shallots as they are mildly sweet and are perfect for the stew. While the shallots are frying, we shall make a cashew spice paste. Take a small blender and add in the cashews. Cashews give a nice body and richness to the stew. Add in the green chilies. Adjust the green chilies according to your taste. Add in the fennel seeds and some water to grind. Grind this mixture to a really fine paste. The ground mixture should be smooth and creamy. Add in the ground cashew spice paste to the pan. Add in a cup of water along. Mix well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and cook the mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. The cashew paste is well cooked and it looks very creamy at this stage. Now add in some salt. We have about 500 grams of baby potatoes here that have been boiled and peeled. Keep the potatoes bite size. If the potato is a little big, halve them so all the potatoes are of uniform size. Make sure it's not too big. Add the potatoes to the pan. We have about 4 hard-boiled eggs here. Make small gashes for the stew to penetrate into the eggs. You can keep the eggs whole or cut into 2. It's totally up to you. I like to keep the eggs whole. Add the eggs to the pan. Add in a cup of coconut milk along. Canned coconut milk works fine for this recipe. Mix everything well to combine. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. In the meantime, let's make a tempering for the stew. Heat ghee in a small tempering kadai. Add in the sliced shallots and the curry leaves. Roast them in ghee on a medium flame till golden. Once the shallots are golden, switch off the flame. With the flame switched off, add in the black pepper powder. Saute for a few seconds for the pepper powder to become aromatic. Now add the tempering to the stew. Our delicious baby potato egg stew is now ready. It can be served with appam or idiyappam. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.